Lego blocks are used to represent 40-foot by 8-foot by 8-foot cargo containers bonded together so that the wind generator that is being represented with this yellow and green Lego system is at 1,600 feet, where the wind is very uniform over the entire length of the blade. This tower is sitting on a very large group of cargo containers, such that housing of, say, 50,000 residents off the Revere, Massachusetts, Boston Beach area can have the Massachusetts-Boston Transit Authority railroad system and onshore electrical system handling standard conductors in above-ground system as a commercial off-the-shelf system, with underneath the barge and the building lobsters and other sort of luxury goods being grown in cages and free-swimming areas of, say, 1 to 5 miles across. And then out in the ocean, farther away from the shore, large floating platforms with very large seawalls as represented with the blue, yellow, orange, red system would prevent 80-foot waves from coming ashore to the airfield that's adjacent to its tall buildings that house more wind towers for local energy production and support.